open, starting the day like that, but we'll use my other truck to mow. Nice, my nice truck that I want to sell, but now we're gonna use it. And I'm so happy because my glasses look actually clean. I actually kept them clean. If I would have pulled out some dirty glasses, I think that's just dust because it's been 4 months, but if I would have pulled out some dirty glasses, I would have been pissed. And plus in Costa Rica, gas is like $5-6 a gallon. Here it's $2.81. That's, man, I feel like I was humbled by God. I was always complaining. Now I'm grateful to everything. It's crazy. That mirror is really messed up though. Improvising with the truck. Still got the beach chair and the beach chairs. I mean, they're 2 beach chairs. Here's the first yard. I need to work fast, but here's the before. I'll show you the back. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish this work day. 4 o'clock, got 3 more, feeling great, feeling good. Just wanted to say what's up. Just want to show y'all what I'm up to and hope y'all kill it and have a great day. Thank you. Got my truck back too. I fixed my tailgate. Dun, 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 dun. What time is it? Should I keep going? Yeah, probably. Oh, damn, it's dark. Alright, y'all. Boy's tired. In America? Damn. Alright, I'm gonna go rest now. I'm tired. Peace out. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Just a quick little video showing y'all what I'm doing today. Flight in the morning. Costa Rica at 3:30 in the morning. Mowing. Make money mowing at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Peace out, y'all. Love you. Gang. I got so, look at the yard I just did. I got so much work to catch up on. All my yards are super tall and weedy. They look like jungles. But I just wanted to hop on and say, I hope you guys have a great start to your season. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys work hard. And as soon as I get caught up on my work and can get through all these estimates that are flooding in, then some more mowing content coming right soon. So. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see how long this one takes. 2:04. That was kind of a doozy. 2:04 to 2:50, so 45 minutes to do this yard. Not bad. Yeah, your boy's tired, but that doesn't mean we're not going to keep working. Trim these trees and mulch this bed. Spring cleanup time, let's go. Damn. Got the Glock 9 handy. Got the electric hedger. Damn. Yep.
This gate's a little broken.
Damn, Chico. We out here twerking. I am tripping. I pulled up at that house. It has a black truck and the yard looks almost, I mean the house looks almost exactly the same, but it didn't have this little island on the right, this little short one. And then I was looking at it, but it looked the same. And I was like, there's a tree, there's a black truck. It's on the right. That house has like a sticking out part. It has an island, but it was the wrong house. Check your addresses. I didn't do that. Yeah.